Right, good afternoon. I've decided to come out. I checked on the bands before I came out. There is a contest on, unfortunately. But the walk band seemed okay. So, as I say, I've come out. Spin you around. So I've got to put the mast up. Yeah, let me have a look. Yeah, so that's my drive-on mast. Pretty solid thing. And well, what sort of a day? It's a damp day, it's a grey day. I'm on Walney Island. So spin you around. Tide's in. It's quite calm, it's grey, it's a little bit damp. There's yeah, it's one of those days, I think. But I've decided to come out, so I'm here. This is the car park that I'm at. I brought the I brought the Xiegu X6100 just in case I need a little bit of extra power. I've got 10 watts on that, but I've brought my SW6B, my little spy set. I've got 3 watts on that, and that's one I will be using to set off with. So I'm going to get the mast up and put the antenna up and get that sorted. The antenna, by the way, is the one that's been repaired, so I might need to faff around a little bit with it. I've got most things in the van if I need it. I've got other antennas. I've got the Diamond X300, is it? I can't remember what it is now. It's very rare I use it. Does it even tell me? Yes, it does. The SD330. Yeah, there you go. The SD330. And that does okay. Covers 80 meters through to 10. And if all else fails, I'll be on that. Okay, well, quick update. Got the mast up. All the way up there. Okay. Dipole SWR is needs to be longer. Resonant on 14.7 instead of 14.07. So we're not doing very good with that. So I don't know whether I could put the X600 on, get it somewhere close, and you know, use the tuner, or go on the vertical. I might just try the X6100 first. and then we'll go from there. Okay, we've got operating in such a fashion. So I'm on the X6100. The X6100, and I'm on 30 meters because everywhere else is a contest. I've just worked DD 2026 Olympic Games. It's the OWG Delta 2026 Oscar Whiskey Golf. There you go, got there in the end. It's raining. We thought it would. Tide's still in, probably going out. Mast is up. I've done some more repairs on the antenna, and I've got it close on 30 meters. I cut a bit of wire in, and it's close, but I'm using the tuner anyways, just to be sure. Running 5 watts. My Bengali key, my traveller. Power supply. At the minute it's giving me 11.9 volts. Yeah, we'll just do this. I'm a bit disappointed, to be honest. I'm a bit disappointed in the fact that I've come out. I thought it was going to rain a little bit. So that, I mean, that wasn't the disappointment. The disappointment was the antenna. I thought I'd sorted it, but it's high, so it needs to be. It wants a length added to it, and I'll sort that out. But I need to get it cut for what are my favourites? 20, 30, 40, 80. So as long as I can get it to do them 4 bands, I'll be a little bit happier. It does help with the tuner on this. That's great. It's a pity I couldn't use my. Bear with me. My little spy set I like using. There's no ATU in this, so if the SWR is a little bit high, then obviously we're damaging. So we're not bothered. We won't use it. We're not that desperate to. In an emergency, I would. Well, in an emergency, I wouldn't be using 3 watts. The X6100, very capable. Quite like it. I think I've adjusted the frequency span too much on it. I want about 50k, don't I? That's better. What is it? 25 will do. Do you know, it gets that long. He's a cracking signal, isn't he? I haven't used this radio for quite a long time, because obviously I've been using the XW6B and the 3B. But yeah, I mean, I always bring it as a backup just in case, and this is the first time I've used it in a while. But the X6100 as a portable transceiver, you just can't knock it. I think these the Xiegus are just wonderful. The station entry transceivers, aren't they? 10 watts SSB, 5 watt CW, yeah, excellent. I'm sure you can get a little bit more out of it if you wanted it to. So TX power, whoops, you put that there. So TX power, now it's only going to 5 watts. I'm sure that you can get it a little bit higher. But QRP is good for me. I don't mind QRP, so RIT and everything, should really use that on there. Put the RIT there. Display settings, I'm not going to do anything major. Let me have a look. Waterfall reference, maybe. I don't think it really matters, does it? Put the RIT back on there. So you choose it and it comes up on this little menu here. Oh, and it is, oh, it's proper raining now, so hang on. What I'm going to do is, I'm just going to sit in the car and operate. I'm just going to move some gear into the passenger seat and I'll work from there. 7.3. Okay, well, it's still going. I've put myself into the passenger seat because it's pouring down. I mean, it really is pouring down. So yeah, that's where we're at. We're parked right on the beach, but it's certainly coming in now. So when I do drop the gear, the antenna, it'll be a mad dash job. So I'm certainly not going out there. I've got the SW3B. That's in my van, but then again it hasn't got an ATU, so right, so I'm going to get back to doing a little bit. I'll put a few calls out and we'll see where we get. 7.3. Okay, just having a chat with Mark, OE9MBI. Someone's found me. So, very good. I'll just finish off with him and go and have a look around. Okay, well, probably an hour later, and I've had a chat with 3 stations. The DD 2026 Oscar Whiskey Golf, OE9MBI Mark, and HA2 SB Gavar. So that's it. Weather is awful. Hang on, there we go, I think. Bands are okay, just that no one's looking for me. Oh. Hang on. Let me see if I can get him. Oh, he's through the switch. Unlucky. Because that makes the band. There's a couple of signals. But it's still heavy rain. Still heavy rain. My van is steaming up. So it might be time before before night falls to call it. Let me just open this door. It's still raining, so I've got to go put the aerial down. Yeah, looking for. Let me put that. It's a little bit windy. I ain't looking forward to that, but you know, it is what it is. I put it up, I parked on it, so I'm going to take it down. I ain't going anywhere without it. But anyways, that's the way radio goes sometimes, doesn't it? I knew it was going to rain, but it's just one of those things. Right. I'll catch up soon. This is it's been a mad afternoon. I think I'll wait till it warms up in future. Mind you, I could be waiting a long time in Cumbria. So I'm gonna go get something to eat. Well, I'm gonna get soaked. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get absolutely drenched, but it's got to be done. All in the name of radio. 7 threes, and well, I hope you're having a drier afternoon than I am. We'll speak soon. Cheers.